motorcycle. Look at the two old school classic Kawasaki motorcycles and the most amazing, breathtaking view we have ever seen while out on a ride.
Pan left, do a 180, pan left.
Come with us, Cycle Drag Universe, because we're going to take you with us. We've got the old school bikes ready to go, and you're going to want to stick around to the end to see an unbelievable, staggering view that you simply will not believe. Yes, ladies and gentlemen, that is the Cycle Drag Kawasaki KZ 1197, fresh out of storage, freshly rebuilt. We're going to put it to the test, and that is the 1987 Ninja 1000 of our good buddy Don Settle. He is 70 years young. He's coming up on 200,000 miles. He is truly the Iron Butt. We met at the drag races years ago. We live states apart, but we always said, hey, one of these days, we're gonna meet up and go for a ride. Well, this particular day was just what the doctor ordered. We're departing from central Pennsylvania. We've got gorgeous weather and two old school machines. My question, will my KZ hold up on the 500-mile trip after the resto? Let's find out.
I need to be here.
Keep coming down.
All right. Oh, there's my thing. There it is. Yeah, man. Where should I park?
Come on into the driveway.
Is that it right there?
Yeah, you can come wherever you want. The man. That's good.
Yeah, man.
The man is here, the legend. I don't know if I'm gonna let you come over here in that Baltimore Ravens helmet though.
Well, yeah, what you gonna do? If you want the money shot, come on, pan left, do a 180, pan left, right there it is.
I love
There
it.
is.
I love it.
There it is.
Now, Don, it is so good to see you once again. Can you please refresh our memory of what motorcycle you have and how many miles you have on it for the people watching?
87 ZX 1000R. Right now we got 183 on.
183.
Do 184 by the end of the day.
And we're heading for 200, right? That's the goal?
Yep. Yep.
Wow. What an amazing motorcycle. So, where are we going today?
We're gonna go High Rock, Maryland. It's a place that they used to do hang gliding from, and it's got a spectacular view. You can see like 3 states or 3 counties or something. I can't remember.
Well, I can't wait to go riding with you. I got old school ready to go. I know the Busa, we weren't sure if the Busa would be a good match with you, but I don't know that I'm going to be able to keep up with you with old school, so we'll see.
No, I don't think you'll have any trouble keeping up with me. Believe me.
And then,
What a life without a wife.
See, I was kind of hoping.
all right, it's time to go for a ride, old school. Hey, you're the man, by the way. I got to shake your hand again. 70 years young?
That's it.
Oh my.
7.0.
When did you start riding?
71.
71, and now you're 70, and we're trying to put 200,000 miles in. Come in close and get a look at his motorcycle. Look at the outstanding condition that this bike is in. It's gonna be really something when that odometer hits 200,000. Are you gonna have a party? Do you have anything planned?
Nothing yet, but have a moment of silence at least, so I can hear all the noises.
That's right.
Starting to make.
1987 Ninja 1000 here. The Ninja was born in 1984. I think we have a few ninjas over there. I like it. Cycle Drag Universe everywhere. Ninja was first born in 84. This was 3 years later in 1987. These are great bikes. Officially, the title you said is what, the 1000 RX?
ZX 1000R.
ZX 1000R. There was a European model, the GPZ 1000R. So we're ready to rock. As you can see, we got old school out over here. Come take a look at old school KZ. Don's my buddy. We met at the drag races, and we always talked about going for a ride. So I thought, what an appropriate time Normally I'm on my 2014 Suzuki Hayabusa. Now I'm on a bike older than the one you have.
Yeah.
How am I more old school? How about that?
Figure that.
All right, you gonna take it easy on me today?
Oh, not to worry.
All right, let's go check out some sites. You guys can come along with us. I got one problem here. As a Pittsburgh guy, he shows up with a Baltimore Ravens helmet. Come on, man. How can I hang with this? I'm an AFC North guy. You got the Ravens represent. I thought you'd be Baltimore Colts.
And that's oh man.
That takes you back a few years, huh?
On that one.
Hey, you know what? I don't discriminate against the Ravens. Good club, good rivalry. But
Pittsburgh, yeah, but one of the best rivalries in football.
what do you think, guys? All right, we'll get going.
Then once you know where it is, you can take her over there and propose. This is a 4. I think you're up to 10. Yeah, now to see.
Chamber of Commerce weather and a day to remember. First, let's put some fuel in the tank before we start this 500-mile round trip journey. Lots of motorcycles out on this gorgeous day. Is the KZ ready? I sure hope so. I know Dawn's ready to go. We were really blessed with some beautiful weather. Here's one site that I want to share with you right away. This is in Columbia, Pennsylvania, coming down off the mountain. You can see the Susquehanna River in the distance. This is Chickies Rock, a beautiful area. Scenic overviews. A lot of people go to this park to experience rock climbing. There's trails. It's a gorgeous area. Pennsylvania comes alive in the summer. Here we are getting on 30, which stretches all the way across PA. That's the Turkey Hill Experience. We're getting ready to cross over from Lancaster County into York County. This is the 30 Bridge up above the Susquehanna. Boy, I've got so many memories of this area. I worked as a news reporter in this market for WGAL for 3 years, so got a ton of memories traveling these roads, that's for sure. But we're headed towards Gettysburg. Dawn is on the gas. I wanted to get a good look at that showroom stock 1987 Ninja 1000. That thing is beautiful. It came with 124 horsepower. Kawasaki claimed the top speed of 142 miles an hour. You know we're getting close to Gettysburg now. Anytime you hit these roundabouts in Pennsylvania, I felt like I was back in England for a second. Small, quaint towns. Beautiful place to live, that's for sure. And a beautiful day. Motorcycles are so popular here. You know, for all of you guys that live in Florida or California and you get to ride about 11 months a year, keep in mind you only get about 6-7 months maybe in Pennsylvania. And if you throw rain in there, you're not riding too much. But I think all that pent-up demand and the fact that it's the home of Harley and a lot of other factors, there are so many motorcycle fanatics. Gettysburg has one of the biggest bike weeks in the country. We were making our way towards our destination, getting ready to cross over into the Maryland line. The KZ was running great. Dawn's bike running great. I'm half Dawn's age and I got an older bike. Go figure on that one. Dawn is the man though. He does this every week as he continues to try to reach his goal of 200,000 miles. If you know anybody like this, make sure you share a story. Perfect day to be out riding. I love that little LED above Dawn's license plate too. Helps the visibility. Time for a quick gas stop. Two diverse bikes, but boy, they make a great pair, and we're having a great time.
I don't know about you, man.
Debugging.
I'm a freak on optics.
There you
Glasses, everything.
Smart man, get those bugs off.
Get them off of there.
Don, when we stop for gas, one thing that I'm astounded at is I'm looking at a 77 and an 87 and seeing what was going on in the motorcycling industry. Man, just unbelievable changes. Because I think about a 2020 Busa and a 2010 Busa, and we don't see that many changes. Look at your bike, liquid cooled, perimeter frame, full fairing, birth of the Ninja. This one still a successor of the Z1. Two very different bikes that are only 10 years apart.
Yeah.
How's everything going for you out on the road?
Oh, good. I'm enjoying this. I mean, a perfect day. A perfect day today. Doesn't get any better than this.
And what year did you buy your bike again?
1998.
With how many miles on it?
At 19,900.
You have been the iron butt, my friend.
Thing's been good too.
And off we went. Take a look at this climb. This is 2,145 feet up to High Rock, Maryland. This park is known for hand gliding, and you're gonna find out why. This reminded me of riding dirt bikes in the woods. I felt like we were on a trail. This was so beautiful. We were just loving every single minute of it. Here we are. Majestic and breathtaking. Oh my. Awe-inspiring.
There you go.
Wow. What do you think, Don? I think that was worth the ride up. What do you think?
Without question.
How about it?
Without a doubt. What do you think?
It's gorgeous, breathtaking.
Yeah, indeed. Indeed. And then,
Picture perfect view. It was a little bit spooky. There wasn't a fence, there wasn't a railing, and that's about 400 or 500 feet down to the next point. Don, you're looking down at birds, you said.
Yep. Yep. Look at that.
I kept my distance, but I was enjoying the spectacular, picturesque view. As long as we keep those children back, I think we'll be okay. But man, I highly recommend taking a ride to High Rock if you can. Cascade, Maryland. It is right off the Appalachian Trail. One of the most beautiful parts of northern Maryland. Breathtaking views. Well, that was a breathtaking view. And Don, you got to do a couple things you don't normally do. You looked down on a bird.
Right.
And you also rode with a bike that's older than yours.
Right.
How about that? How's that feel today?
That's a twofer. We'll call that a twofer.
What's your general thoughts on this ride, this route? Any suggestions you may have to people to come down and do something like this?
Oh, the only thing I can say is, yeah, if you're High Rock, Maryland, if you can work it in 550 north, come check it out.
Well, Don, this was so much fun. We said we were going to make it happen. We did make it happen.
Finally.
How about it? We don't have any drag racing right now,
Right.
but we can jump on these bikes and have some fun.
Do some cruising.
What a great ride. We're going to have to do it again.
I hope so.
And you're going to have to keep us posted on when you hit 200,000. Time to get back on the road and begin our descent. What a day. Still gorgeous, still blessed with wonderful weather. I was thinking too just how unique these two motorcycles are for only being 10 years apart. Don is liquid cooled, 6-speed, monoshock. I'm of course air cooled, 5-speed, dual shock. These two bikes working in unison. It was time to hit the highway, and I think Don was having such a great time that he decided to ride with me back to Pennsylvania. He wanted to take the long route. We love going through Gettysburg, so much history and heritage. You get home safe, buddy.
You too, man.
Have a good one.
Excellent. Get there. See you later.
See you later. We had a great time, and I got to give him a shout out. At 70 years old, he is definitely the iron butt, coming up on 200,000 miles on that motorcycle. So cool. There you go. For anybody who says you're too old to ride,
Take note.
Bravo, Don. We know you're coming up on 200 soon. And look at the godsend that sky is. What a send-off to a truly epic day. And I'll tell you what's even better. This KZ does not have great lights, but I got just enough light to make it home. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope we provided you with a little bit of entertainment. That's always what we aim to do. We love motorcycles. You love motorcycles. Let's keep this thing growing. Check it out, guys. Up here on the wall, 100,000 subscribers. I love it. Thank you so much. It's all because of you. We appreciate it. Please come with any story ideas. We love the comments and the feedback. I read every single one of them. The positivity is always appreciated. And you haters out there, I love you too because you keep me on my toes. Thank you for watching no matter what. Guys, to keep this thing growing, please subscribe to Cycle Drag on YouTube. Hit the bell for notifications. Share with some friends who like drag racing, like motorcycles. This is how we can keep this thing going. And also like cycledrag.com on Facebook. And we'll keep rolling. We'll keep finding those stories. We'll keep finding those impressive high-performance motorcycles that you want to see. Thank you guys so much. Truly appreciate it. You know, if there's anything fast motorcycles involved, we are in. What an epic and memorable day it was. I really hope you enjoyed coming along with us. Please share this with anyone in the Northeast, any of the Cycle Drag universe that would love to enjoy an unforgettable ride. This is a must try. Got to tip my cap to the 1197 KZ too, because that thing ran like clockwork. So pleased. I love this bike. We've got more in store for it. Of course, Don's bike performed like a well-oiled machine like it always does. So much fun to get two old school bikes out and take a unique, memorable, unforgettable ride from central Pennsylvania to northern Maryland. Had so much fun, and boy, we want to thank Don once again, and we wish him all the best in his endeavor to get to 200,000 miles. We know he's gonna make it sooner rather than later. If it's not raining, he's out riding. Thanks so much for watching, everybody. I hope you enjoyed it. Much more coming. Wait a minute, is it the legendary Jesse James? Are you really the legendary Jesse James?
Sometimes, only in my own mind.
What do you got on your hat?
Cycle Drag.
You're the man. Do you watch the Cycle Drag YouTube channel?
No, but you should.
We hope that you'll start watching, and I appreciate it.
Yep.